All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Saturday phrasal verb. So carry on with, to continue with something, to continue going through something. I will carry on with my ideas. She will carry on with her work. They should carry on with their projects or homework. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I will carry on with the lesson. Yes, this thing happened, but I will carry on with the lesson. I will carry on with my ideas and dream. Well, yeah, dreams. Dream, yeah. They always like to carry on with their projects, no matter what happens. No matter what happens, he will carry on with the goal. Yeah. Soon he will carry on with his destination, driving. Yeah, he's going that way. He had to stop for a moment, and he'll carry on with his driving. Carry on with the destination in mind. Yes. When I was driving around Scotland, I just kept carrying on with my driving. I just kept carrying on with the goal. Yes. Carrying on with the goal. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So, I tried to carry on with the book. Yeah. I wanted to carry on with that book, but it was not very good. No, not very good. No. She's only carrying on with it now. Yeah, she had a long break and is now carrying on with it. Yeah, she's focused on it. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah. He thinks they can carry on with the research. Yeah. So how do you think they could carry on with the project, research, driving, planning? Yeah, there are a lot of distractions. How can they carry on with it still? How can they carry on with it still? There are so many distractions and problems and delays. How are they doing it? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so carry on with. She is carrying on with her shopping. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.